Welcome all of you. In this lesson of 10th class, we are continuing the coordinate geometry. In the last lesson, we have discussed about distance formula. We have to find out the distance between 2 points. Their coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. And we can find the distance by using this distance formula, that is d is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now we are using it in this question. Name the type of the triangle formed by these 3 points. The coordinates of three points are 3, 2, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 3. Here we have to find out the distance between all 3 points. First is AB, then BC and AC. We can find out the distance by using this distance formula. AB is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square, that is 3 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square 2 minus 3 whole square. It is equal to 1 square plus minus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1 and it equal to under root 2. Next is distance between point B and C. Distance is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square. It means 2 plus 2 whole square, because first is plus 2 and second is minus 2 and their difference will be 2 plus 2 whole square, and second is 3 minus then minus 3 and it will be 3 plus 3 whole square. It is equal to 4 square plus 6 square and it will be 16 plus 36 and it is equal to 52, under root 52. And next is distance between A and C. AC is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square, that is 3 plus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square 2 plus 3 whole square. It will be equal to 3 plus 2 5 square plus 5 square and 25 plus 25 is equal to under root 50. Now all the 3 sides are under root 2. First is under root 2, second is under root 52 and third is under root 50. So we can see here that all the 3 sides are not equal. So we cannot say that it is an equilateral triangle or an isosceles triangle and it is a scalene, because all the 3 sides are different. And we have to check one another thing also, that if the square of 2 sides is equal to the square of the third side, it will be right angle triangle. We can check it. Under root 2 square means 2 plus 50 and it is 52, and the third side is under root 52 and its square is 52. So we can say that the sum of the squares of 2 sides will be equal to the square of third side. So we can say that it is a right angle triangle. It is proved. Next question is, we have to find out the type of rectangles made by these 4 points. Here 4 points A, B, C and D are given and we have to find out the type of rectangle made by them. First of all, we will take out the distance between AB, BC, CD and AD. All the 4 sides are, first is AB. The formula we are using it, the distance formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square and whole under root. The first side is AB, that is x1 minus x2 whole square. It is minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus y2 means minus 2 minus 0 whole square, then equal to minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. It will be equal to 4 plus 4, and it is equal to under root 8. The first side is under root 8. The second side is BC. The same formula we are using, x1 minus x2 whole square, it means 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. It is equal to 2 square plus minus 2 whole square, and it is equal to 4 plus 4 and under root 8. The second side is also under root 8, and third is CD. CD is under root of x1 minus x2 whole square, minus 1 plus 3 whole square and 2 minus 0 whole square. It will be equal to 2 square plus 2 square, that is 4 plus 4 and under root 8. Third side is also under root 8. So here are the most probable, it is a square. Now we can find out the next side, AD. AD is minus 1 plus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square. It is 2 square plus minus 2 whole square, and it will be 4 plus 4. It is equal to under root 8. And now we have to find out the two diagonals of this. It is seeming a square, and if the two diagonals are also equal, then we can say that it is a square definitely. First diagonal is AC and second is BD. AC is equal to under root of, here A and C, minus 1 minus minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 2 whole square. It is 0 plus minus 4 whole square, and it will be equal to under root of 16, that is 4. First diagonal is 4 and second is BD. It is equal to under root of 1 plus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. It is equal to 4 whole square under root, and it is equal to 4. So we see here that AC and BD two diagonals are equal and all the four sides are equal. So ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Answer. Next question is, we have to find out the type of rectangle, and here the 4 points are given, A, B, C and D. First of all, we will find out all the four sides, AB, BC, CD and AD. First is AB, we are using same formula, the distance formula, that is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square and whole under root. And it is AB is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square, 4 minus 7 whole square plus 5 minus 6 whole square. It is equal to minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. It will be 9 plus 1, and it is equal to under root 10. First side AB is under root 10. The next is BC. BC is equal to under root of 7 minus 4 whole square and 6 minus 3 whole square. It is equal to under root of 3 square plus 3 square, that is 9 plus 9, and it is equal to under root 18. The second side is root 18. Now the third side CD is equal to under root of 4 minus 1 whole square and 3 minus 2 whole square. It is equal to under root of 3 square plus 1 square. It will be 9 plus 1, that is under root 10. And the last side AD is equal to under root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square, and it will be equal to 3 square plus 3 square, that is 9 plus 9 equal to under root 18. So we can see here that two opposite sides, the pair of two opposite sides is equal. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. So it is the probability of parallelogram as well as rectangle also, because in rectangle and parallelogram, in both the shapes the opposite sides are equal. So we have to check out the diagonals. We will find out the two diagonals AC and BD. If the two diagonals are also equal, we can say this shape made by these 4 points are rectangle, and if the diagonals are not equal, it will be parallelogram. Now we check out the rectangles. First is AC. AC is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square, that is 4 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square, will be equal to 0 plus 2 square, and that is 2. First diagonal is 2, and BD is under root of 7 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square, will be equal to 6 square plus 4 square, that is 36 plus 16, and it will be equal to 52. So we can see here that the two diagonals are not equal but opposite sides are equal. So the shape formed by these 4 points, it is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. It's proved. That's all for today. Thank you.